Here's how I built a keyboard that's not only pretty, but sounds super creamy too. First, I use the Stars 80 Ultra Kit, a CNC aluminum frame with a magnetic star-shaped tray cover. For the switches, I picked KTT Coconut Latte, smooth linear, deep, and thocky. The keycaps? I went with the PC Mix Retro Christmas theme set. Silky smooth surface, shine through legends, and honestly, I just love the texture and the cozy colors. Oh, and the wrist rest? I paired it with a PFOX pad and stand combo. Perfect for heavy aluminum keyboards. Now, time for the creamy sound test.